So over here you can see that I have two footages over here, and let's say what you want to do is you want to go around and disable out certain clips right here. So now over here you can see that I have this particular clip, and let's say I want to disable this for a while. In that case, you can go around under the clip menu right here, and then right now you can see it is enabled over here. If you were to uncheck this, then what happens is that this clip is disabled for a while. It's actually hidden, as you can see right here. So it simply takes up the place right here, but shows nothing right here. Similarly, there may be other clips that you want to disable, but don't want to delete it. Then you can simply go around and disable that out right here. You can select them over here and click on clip and re-enable them as well. And that is how you can disable and enable out the clips right here without having to delete them, so that they still take up the place, but you don't see it. So let's say, for example, you have let's say something like this over here. So let's just go around and resize this around over here, and then resize this as well, just like this. So you got two footers over here at the same time. So let's say you want to disable this, but you don't want to delete it because you think that you require this footage again. Then you can simply go around onto clip and then disable this clip out right here, so that it temporarily is hidden out from the main timeline, just like this. And that is how you can enable and disable clips inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.